Illinois Report Card, learning about elementary academic progress. This video will explain how to chart an elementary school's academic progress on state of Illinois metrics, as well as how to locate and view metrics like assessment results for the Illinois Assessment of Readiness, or IAR, participation rates, and demographic comparisons. For this video, I will use Mary Andres Elementary School. There are slight variations if you select a district profile instead of a school, and slight variations based on the type of school you select. For example, high schools display SAT assessment information because high school students take that assessment. Elementary school students do not. Selecting your school will take you to your school snapshot page where all of the specific information can be accessed. Notice the options on the left-hand side of the page. For this video, we'll focus on the first tab, Academic Progress. Academic Progress takes the school you picked and displays its academic data alongside the district and state academic data. Let's click on the school results on the Illinois Assessment of Readiness, or IAR. Clicking the link directs you to the screen where you can get detailed information on IAR results. Most detailed pages on IRC include a Learn More link, which you can click to open a drop-down box for additional information. You can export the data to Excel using the Excel icon in the upper right-hand corner of the page. These options are available on each page throughout the report card. On the IAR screen, the display shows you the percentage of the students on each of the 5 color-coded IAR performance levels. Notice you can change what data are displayed by choosing ELA or Mathematics. On this page, you can select to view the accountability proficiency or sort the data by year. You can also navigate to grade and demographics or participation rate to see the IAR data sorted that way using the navigation features at the top and bottom of the page. By going to the grade and demographics section within IAR, here you can add additional years, grades, or demographic groups to view. By navigating next to participation, you will see a graph of the percentage of students participating in IAR by subject. Again, there are boxes which allow you to add additional years of data or view data by specific demographics. On this page, you can also select to view the data as a data table or sort by year instead of by student group. Next, we'll click the Dynamic Learning Maps, or DLM-AA metric. This is an assessment taken by special needs students who have individual education plans, or IEPs. Not all schools will have a sufficient number of these students to report DLM-AA results, and if that's the case, you'll see something like this. However, if data are available, the results will display here, and you can customize what data are displayed just as with IAR. Similar to IAR, within DLM-AA, you can move between pages that allow you to view grade and demographic details, or participation rates. Next, click the Science Assessment tab to view graphs displaying the performance levels for student on the Illinois Science Assessment. Again, using the navigation buttons at the top or bottom of the page allows you access to additional data, such as grade and demographic details and participation rate. Within these pages, you can add additional years of data or demographic groups to view the respective data. Note that within the Science Assessment section, you can also view prior year data, because previously science was only reported at the proficient versus not proficient scale, unlike the 4 proficiency levels reported for 2022 and 2021. By clicking Proficiency, you can see the proficiency rate for students combining all tests. A rate is calculated for ELA, Math, and Science at the elementary and high school levels. You can toggle between subjects to view each subject's respective proficiency calculation comparing school, district, and state data. The option to add years of data, if available, and additional demographic groups to the graph is also available. In addition to a graph, data can be viewed in a data table or sorted by year if multiple years of data are available. Similar to the IAR section, you can also view results by accountability proficiency. Click Growth Percentile, IAR, to view a school, district, and state comparison of student growth. As we have seen in previous pages, you can add additional years of data or demographic groups to the visualization, view the data as a table, sort by year, and toggle between subjects. Click Participation Rate to view the percentage of students participating in standardized testing by subject at this school. The same navigation features allowing you to add years of data or demographic groups exist on this page as well. Click Achievement Gap to view a comparison of test results between the demographic groups. This data set shows the test results for IAR. You can use the options within the box to select specific grades, or switch subjects or which demographic group to compare. Hovering over any of the boxes within the group provides additional information, such as the gap between the selected demographic group in that year. Finally, click Performance Scatter Plots, which displays scatter plots for your selected school compared to other schools in the district and state. In this instance, the comparison is with other elementary schools within the district and state. Again, within the box, you will find options to alter the visualization, including the ability to switch to view by grade, prior year's data, or a specific demographic group. If you select the More Options link, you'll be able to also view the scatter plots in relation to other configurations of schools. You should now have a better understanding about elementary academic progress metrics on IllinoisReportCard.com.